Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Hive Metastore consistency for big data analytics. Beginner guide. Start by understanding what a Hive Metastore is. A Hive Metastore is an essential component of the Hive ecosystem. It stores metadata about the datasets and schemas in your big data environment. Before verifying consistency, ensure you have access to your Hive Metastore database. Connect to your Hive Metastore using your preferred SQL client. Once connected, check the metadata tables in the database. The primary table to focus on is the TBLS table, which contains information about all tables. Execute a query to retrieve all the tables listed in the TBLS table. Next, validate the corresponding data files in the underlying storage system. Use a Hadoop file system command to list the files in the directories associated with your Hive tables. Make sure the file count matches the number of partitions and tables in the Hive Metastore. If discrepancies appear, investigate each table's configurations for issues. Check the partitions table in the Hive Metastore for partition tables. Compare the partition metadata with the actual directory structure in your storage system. If you find mismatches, you may need to repair the table using appropriate commands. Use the MSCK repair table command to reconcile discrepancies in partition tables. For non-partition tables, consider reloading the data and updating the Metastore if inconsistencies persist. Once all validations are complete, document your findings for future reference. Regularly scheduled consistency checks can help maintain the integrity of your Hive Metastore. Segment your checks by table or partition for easier management. Ensure to review the results with your team for any necessary follow-ups. Implement any required changes based on your findings to ensure optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.